The CR-V lineup has been troubled by a number of recurring problems ever since 2017. Electronic sensors and systems are largely affected by these persistent issues. Even though there are problems with other car technicalities, sensor problems have persisted through every revision from 2017 until 2021. In addition, the Honda CR-V line has frequently experienced problems ranging from defective injectors to diluted oil to broken safety features. Let's take a closer look at the 2022 Honda CR-V issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Faulty fuel injectors. Most dealerships have asserted that faulty fuel injectors are to blame for the root of the complaints regarding IC cluster malfunction. The dilution of the oil causing the abrupt stalling of the 2022 CR-V engine is another issue that has been brought up in a few complaints. The problem may be expensive, but it is typically covered by the warranty. The risk of a crash exists when the car suddenly stalls. Breakage of the gear shift lever. For the 5th generation CR-V, breaking of the gear shifting lever while driving has long been a known issue. According to the reported complaints, users have experienced a jammed gearbox, difficulty putting the car in park, and a broken gear shift lever as a result. When the car is in drive mode, this can be problematic because the driver is unable to switch to park mode or turn off the engine. This could have detrimental effects on the highway. Forward collision warning sensor malfunction. Apart from the CR-V, several Honda models have had problems with their collision warning systems acting up. The problem is that the sensors engage the auto braking even when there are no indications of obstruction or danger of impact in front of the car, which can result in serious accidents from the rear. The Honda Civic lineup has also frequently been connected to the same problems, and there have been a lot of complaints. Auto emergency braking. There have been numerous instances where drivers have complained about automatic emergency braking, describing the problem as an automatic application of the brakes without any human prompt or input, nor any risk of a frontal collision. This has fallen short of the level of safety a Honda is supposed to provide. Airbag problems. Honda appears to have overcompensated for the defective airbag sensors and wiring in the 2019 iteration, as a significant number of complaints have stated that the airbags completely failed to deploy in the event of collision and accidents. This needs to be fixed as soon as possible because it could result in fatal accidents. There have been a few complaints about faulty airbags in the 5th generation CR-V, particularly on the driver's side. Faulty sensors and wiring, which result in inaccurate co-passenger weight readings by the sensor, are the main cause of this. As a result, the airbag lights fluctuate on the instrument cluster. IC cluster malfunction. The 2017 released Honda CR-V 5th generation has been the subject of frequent and ongoing complaints about instrument cluster issues. All of the vehicle status lights and indicators that are displayed on the IC cluster turn on, according to complaints from customers, followed by a sudden loss of power, automatic braking, and power steering. It is dangerous for the driver. Honda dealerships have occasionally connected this to problems with fuel injectors. Recalls. As a car manufacturer, Honda has never shied away from recalling faulty cars, and the CR-V is no exception. Although the 2022 Honda CR-V has not yet been recalled, older Honda CR-V models have frequently been the subject of recalls because of problems with electronic sensors, and in a few rare instances because of broken fuel pumps and punctured fuel tanks. Even with the 2022 version of the CR-V, electronic problems are still present in the lineup as they were in 2017. Failure of the fuel line, problems with airbag deployment, and more 2022 Honda CR-V issues that necessitate recalls are just a few examples. The full list of 5th generation Honda CR-V now you can see on your screen. Should you buy? The Honda CR-V lineup for 2022 offers a useful selection of economical drivetrain options, making it a wise choice for an SUV. The CR-V is a decent package as well, boasting a number of safety features, upgraded technology, and a comfortable cabin with cozy interiors. Honda does a great job in this area by providing a solid package with versatility, features, and composed driving, making the CR-V a preferable choice even though it requires maintenance and upkeep. Therefore, a used Honda CR-V is the way to go if maintenance costs are manageable and you're looking for a daily driver with multi-role versatility on a budget.